Hi, this is John Ozzie, Head of Training and Development at AudaCity Capital. Today I'm reviewing the account of Bin Johari. Bin Johari has been trading with us from the 8th of April 2021 up until the present day of review, 30th of June 2021. Bin Johari's maintained a gain of 10.47% and an absolute gain of 5.32%, maintaining a daily gain of 0.12%, a monthly gain of 3.65%, and a drawdown of 4.19%. As we can see, when the journey started, he was down by 3.17%, but Bin has actually gone up to improve and consistently go above the drawdown level, and as we can see, he was ranging within a few times but eventually hit the 10% mark. So this is very good and very consistent discipline, because it's only taken him just shy 3 months to get to this level, just over 3 months. So the first 10% is always the challenging part, but once you get the first one, you can always get the second, the third, the fourth, the fifth, and the sixth. So congratulations and well done. Let's see how you've done that. You've done that with a total of 89 trades. So I always like to say less is more. Always go short-term, low-risk and high-reward trades, at least 2 to 1. That will always put you in the money. So your successful rate, you've already made 64 out of 89 trades, which represents a 72% gain, which is very good. You've lost 25 out of 89, which represents 28%. So that's really good as well. A total of 571.3 pips. That's good as well. So congratulations in hitting your target with 571 pips just to hit your target. Let's look at the pairs that helped you. You can see you've traded quite a few pairs, but I like to pick some things out. I like to pick out your worst pair and your great pair. The pound US dollar is not the best pair for you to trade, and you lost some money consistently. So I'll avoid leaving this trading this pair in the future, but I'll focus on the pound CHF, the pound yen, and the euro CAD. These are the pairs that bring consistent profit into your system, and you've got multiple pips. So well done on that. Just focus on what you know, and you're always going to be successful. Looking at your history, we can see your consistent lot sizes, but I always recommend, like I tell every trader, use a stop loss, because stop loss will prevent you from being in a situation of uncertainty, and always keep your profit losses down to a bare minimum, and you control the risk. That's what trading is about, controlling risk and having a psychological advantage. So well done in achieving your 10%. Looking at the monthly analytics, you have 2.58% for the month of April, 3.16% in May, and 4.39% in June. So consistently, you've made money all round, consistently back to back. So well done and congratulations on that. So there's nothing much we can say here, but apart from well done and carry on improving on what you're doing, and try and take some considerations into place by using like a stop loss, and more importantly, try and increase your winning percentage and reducing your loss percentage of losses, maybe by a variant of 5%. So instead of losing 28% of your trades, try and go down to 23% and try and go up to about 77% of your gains. But that's a challenge, and I know you can do this. So for $60,000 is only around the corner, and you've already made halfway through that. So congratulations, and I wish you all the best on the FTP program.